Remember that I didn't upload video? It because he moved internet. I thought that internet green on it is no more because he said no more. But you know what? He hides so many things. And then the stupid is, I taking care of this person in how many years? Yes, because because I know that I'm a good person. But bad things is, he is very fake person. I try to help and taking care of him like a nanny, like caregiver, yes, like a wife. But the problems is, he didn't treat me good. Behind my back, he attacking me. Imagine my things here, kitchenware, my clothes is gone. Yes, it's gone. I've been in my work Monday. Someone stolen my things inside the room. And then he don't have key. Where is the key of my daughter? Someone hold some key that they can come here inside the house every time that I'm not home. And you know what, guys? Why? Why he removed internet back? He play my life. He play my life. I believe him in how many years. But you know what? This person that I thought that I can trust him, oh my God, he is untrusted person. Imagine, guys, in how many years. I'm stupid person that, nagmalasakit ako, yes. I give him help from my own heart, all of my heart. But honest is, he attacking me behind my back. Imagine, yung mga damit ko nawala. Nawala, guys. At ang plano nila ay ubusin ang laman ng cabinet ko para bumili ako dahil alam nila na wala akong pera. Tapos kahapon, guys, yes, ayan yung mga laman ng cabinet ko. Marami akong damit. Pero ang hindi nakakaatuwa, ito, this one, I found it in Lupi Market. Here, yes, it's near only. I've been there because I want to buy something, I use candles for my Mama Mary. And bad things, they will attack me, stolen my things, and sell it to used boutique to make me, to make me sad, to make me mad, because honest is, who's gonna be happy that you can find your things there, that they sell it, and then you know what that they use that for donation to other country. The problems is, they attack me behind my back, stolen my things. And you know what? I don't need to say something, but this is too much. Guys, yesterday, I concerned because he is disappear. I call police. Alam mo ba kung anong ginawa nila? Pinaglalaruan nila ako, pinagpapasapasahan nila ako kung kani-kaninong telephone number. At ang pinakasad is, you know what is the most sad that I discovered? They play my life laughing because, I need to find that person missing. But honest, yes, they play my life, and then I call one of the telephone number. They want to give me a big bill because I need help to find that. Diba concern ako. Pero siya, mga tao dito, pinaglalaruan nila ako. Inaayos ko yung cellphone ko para magkaroon ako ng number. Nagbabayad ako, guys, pero hindi ako maka-upload ng video. Ayun, nakakainis, diba? Nagbabayad ako, yes. I try my best to survive here without their help because they don't care. They don't want to help one person like me. In how many thousand of foreigner that I suffering. Only one person that they treat me like that. It's only me, guys. Only me. Because they hate me. They don't like me. Yes, they want to kick me. They want to kill me. They want to make me as a football sport that they have. Nice, right? I don't know if you're gonna feel happy if you experience what I experience. But honest, guys, before you get married in Denmark, be sure that you cannot experience what I experienced, because this experience is very worse in my life. Very worse, guys. Pinaka-worse. Na hindi ko na-experience sa Pilipinas, na-experience ko later dahil sa kanila. Dahil sa kapabayaan nila, dahil sa katangahan nila, dahil sa wala silang pakialam kung paano nila ako atakihin paulit-ulit. Ayun lang guys, naka-upload ako ngayon guys. I don't know next time. Because my job is a vlog. You know, I try my best. How can I earn money in my own way? Because I know that I cannot get help from them. Yun lang guys, bye.